Hi guys, this is programming in a dual loop example. This is programming uses the dual loop nested loop where the outer loop repeats 5 times to create rows and the inner loop repeats 5 times for each row. To print number from 1 to 5 after the inner loop finish, the program moves to the next line, creating a 5 times number pattern. This is an inner loop. This is the loop of the coding, and this is a outer loop. Outer loop is the short 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 coding, and this is the output. And this is the output. Code execution successfully. Hi guys, this is the function of dual loop. This program creates the function called greet that display that message welcome to Java programming. The main method calls that greet open parenthesis function causing that message to be printed on the screen. The function has no parameters and uses the avoid returns type, meaning is those not return any value.
Aduti requisit garami yuk.
This is a run output. Welcome to Java programming. Syntax: avoid no return value. Int returns to an integer. String returns an string. This is a short syntax function. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Richard Mina. This is tutorial of for loops code. This code program uses a for loop to print numbers from 1 to 5. Int I equals to 1 arrow. The loop started at 1. I to 5 arrow. The loop continues running until I is a 5. In I plus plus arrow increases the value of I by 1 after each interaction. System out print ln arrow print that current value of I to the screen. This is a run output. And this is the output: number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Code execution successfully. Everyone, my name is Richard Mina. This is a function of for loop. This program define the function named greet that print and welcome message. Statistic avoid greet defines and function without pay. Parameters system out print. Welcome to Java programming. Print the message to the screen. Greet, the arrow calls the function in this program. That function is called twice so that message is printed 2 times. This is a run output. This is a number 1 at this is a number 2, and the last part is number 3 is that. So the syntax of for loops. Isolation set the starting value of the loop variable runs once at the start. Example, int I equal to 1. Condition, a boolean expression check before each iteration. The loop runs while this condition is true. Example, I equal to 5. Update change that loop variable after each iteration. Example, I plus plus increment by 1. This is the output for the syntax for loop. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Richard Mina. This is the sample program using while loop. This program uses is a while loop to print number from 1 to 30. Int I equal to 1 initialize that counter I with 1. While I 30 check the condition that loop runs as long as I is less than or equal to 30. System out print ln number prints that current value of I on the screen. Y plus plus increments I by 1 each time ensuring that loop eventually ends. That loop execute 30 times printing number sequentially from 1 to 30. This is the run. Number 1 to number 30. This is the run output. My name is Richard Mina. This is a while loop syntax. Condition, a boolean expression that is checked before every iteration. Code to be executed, repeated that statement inside the loop. Body run as long as that condition is true. Remember that to update the loop variable inside the loop that avoid an infinite loop. This is the syntax. Maraming salamat po.
Research.